The weather is caused by three main things: heat, water, and air. The sun gives out heat, which warms the earth. Water makes clouds and rain. It also makes fog, hail, and snow. Air is always moving around me. This is what makes the wind blow. The earth is wrapped in a thick blanket of air called the atmosphere. This is where weather happens. From space, the atmosphere looks like a hazy blue ring around the earth. The white swirls are clouds. Water is always moving between the sea, the air, and the land. This is called the water cycle. The sun warms the water in the sea and turns it into an invisible gas. The gas rises and turns into tiny droplets of water, making clouds. The tiny droplets of water bump into each other and join together to make bigger clouds. Do you know what happened next, friends? Well, let me tell you. The droplets of water become heavy enough and they fall as rain. Rivers carry the rainwater back to the sea. The water cycle begins again. The rain that falls on you may have fallen on a dinosaur millions and millions of years ago, because the water cycle is going on a circle now. So the rain that falls on dinosaurs go into the clouds and again. That's the rain that falls on us, and you have fallen on a dinosaur. Different kinds of clouds mean there will be different kinds of weather. Puffy white cumulus clouds usually mean that good weather is coming. Stratus clouds cover the sky. This means that there will be fog or drizzle. Wispy cirrus clouds mean there will be snow or rain may be coming later. May I tell you a little thing? A big cumulonimbus cloud means there will be a thunderstorm. May I tell you a little thing? I am not a weather scientist, but I can look the clouds and tell when if this time it will rain, this will snow. Because I know the names of the clouds now. So I look the clouds and I tell rain or snow come. When tiny water droplets form close to the ground, this is called fog or mist. This is the Golden Gate Bridge in California, USA. It is foggy there most of the time. Thunderstorms happen when a big cumulonimbus cloud forms in the sky. Strong winds inside the cloud swirl rain, snow, and hailstones up and down. Do you know what happened next? This makes electricity build up. We see it as flashes of lightning. Sometimes lightning hits to trees and buildings on its way from the cloud to the ground. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes when it heats up the air around it. You see lightning before you hear the sound, because lightning travels faster than the speed of sound. Wind is moving air. It happens when hot air rises and cold air rushes to take its place. The strength of the wind is measured on a scale from 1 to 12. A force 2 breeze dries the clothes on a clothesline. A force 5 wind blows leaves from a tree. A force 9 wind is a severe gale. It can blow tiles from roofs. A force 12 wind is a hurricane. It can destroy houses. Can you imagine how dangerous it is? The ancient Greeks believed that the wind was the breath of gods. Tornadoes are violent, whirling winds. They are sometimes called twisters. Have you ever seen a tornado? A tornado is like a giant vacuum cleaner. It sucks things from the ground. Do you know how tornadoes are made? Well, let me explain you. The air inside the thunder clouds slowly begins to spin around and around. The air spins faster and faster than it was. The cloud begins to change its shape. Warm air is sucked up into the cloud. The cloud changes its shape like a funnel. The cloud touches the ground. It destroys everything while it moves. May I tell you a little secret? Twisters can sometimes suck up fish, frogs from lakes. Can you believe it? Scientists measure the weather and then tell us what they think the weather will be like. Wind speed and rain are measured in weather stations all over the world. Special planes fly into the clouds to measure how much water in them. Satellites in space take pictures of the clouds and storms on Earth. Weather balloons are sent high into the sky to measure the air temperature. Scientists put all this information to make a weather forecast. Some people think that cows lie down when it is about to rain. Some places have such extreme weather that not many people or animals live there. The Sahara Desert in Africa is one of the most driest and hottest places on earth. Camels can live there because they can survive without water for a long. Do you think you can survive? No, I don't think so. Because we need lots of water to survive. Antarctica is the coldest place in the world. Penguins are one of the few animals that are able to live there. Penguins huddle close together to keep warm in the winter. Under the hot sun, desert rocks become so hot that you could fry an egg on them. In some part of the world, the weather makes odd things happen. Some people think that strange clouds like this one look like spaceships. It is called a lenticular cloud. They usually form near mountains. Winds pick up red sand from African deserts and carry them across the sea. Do you think what happened? The water will mix with the red sand and red water will come as red rain. A hailstone with a turtle inside once fell from a thundercloud in Mississippi, USA. Many scientists think that the Earth's atmosphere is slowly getting warmer. The air in the atmosphere acts like a blanket to keep the Earth warm. When things are burned like fuels, gases are released into the air. For example, carbon dioxide. Do you know what happened? The atmosphere is getting heated all the time because the carbon dioxide is trapping the heat. So the atmosphere is getting heated. If the earth gets warmer, the weather will change. In cold places, ice and snow would melt and could cause massive floods. Hundreds of years from now, all these ice might have melted. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new. Until next time, see you, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.